Welcome back to Classy Mom. I'm happy that you are able to join me today in this small makeup tutorial. So I am working on doing, wanted to get a look for the 4th of July. I wanted to go with the red, white, and blue colors, but I don't think that happened in this video because the palette that I was using is my Tetris palette that I actually got from Ipsy. And so I wanted to just play with these colors. And so some of the colors that I played with was the game night, which was like a gold. And then I tried to put some navy blue. I did try to include some colors. So the game over, which was the blue that I used. And then I also was using my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is the Arm and Gorgeous one. And so I was kind of playing around with some of the golds and some of the oranges in here. And then I came up with this look, you guys. It's not a long tutorial. I only did like one eye, played around with the makeup just to see what it looked like. And so we can get into this video so that you guys can actually see what I was trying to do. Okay, you guys, I wanted to play into my palette that I received from Ipsy, the Tetris one. And so I want to go into some colors in here for the 4th of July just to see what I can come up with to make it cute. So I'm also going to use my Jaclyn Hill Arm and Gorgeous Morphe palette. I'm going to just use a transitioning color out of this palette, which I'm going to use, going to be the color right here, Secure. I'm just going to start with that just as a transitioning color. I'm not going to use like a whole bunch, but just a little to just do a transition. And then I want to play into my Tetris just to try to get like a little 4th of July eye look. I really don't know what kind of eye look I want, but I do want some kind of eye look. And I don't want it to be too dark. You know, I was like, do I really want to include the colors red, white, and blue? Or did I just want to kind of just use whatever color I decide to use for the 4th? I know most people use like, I'm going to use red, white, and blue, you know, for the 4th. But I don't know. I wanted to try something different. You know, just do an eye look with my Tetris palette and just see what I can come up with. And, you know, and go from there. So, what you guys think? You think I should stick with the color red, white, and blue, or just play with the colors and just see what you come up with, you know? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Like, do I want to do that? But we're going to find out in a few minutes because we're getting close to that time to put on my colors. I hope you guys can see that pretty good. I try to make sure I put this color in. I don't want to put like too much in here. At the same time, you don't want to be too light-handed either. Make sure that you got the colors in there because you're going to go with your other colors. So, let's see. I think I'm going to go with, okay, I got my colors on. So let's see what other color in here in this palette that we can play with. You don't really have a whole bunch of colors that you can play with. I don't know, you guys. I kind of want to, I don't want to stick with anything too light or too dark or just, I don't know. I'm trying to see what I want to do. Should I do like a yellow and a white? Should I do like a, I don't know. Let's go with a, because I don't really have a whole bunch of colors, like I said, in this palette that I can play around with. I know I do want for sure, I'm thinking about using this color right here. For sure I want to use this. It's like a game night, like a yellowish color. No, that ain't the color. I don't know. So let's maybe put like a little, I always get so lost on this part when I have to play around with these colors. I just don't know what I be going to use. Okay, let's try this. Let's just put some shimmer one, the game night. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's not really that pigmented either, you guys. Let's see what I'm going to do. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty nice. What y'all think? Can you see that? I can. I like it. Just put a little, like the yellow. I know I'm different like that. Like I want to do something different. I don't want to just stick with just the Patriot colors or whatever. But I like this. Oh my god, this pigmented. I like it a lot. I like that. I like it a lot. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the other eye. I'm like, just can, I guess, find whatever color you gonna look nice. I got a script of yellow in my dress, so. This is a pretty color. Oh, I like this. What you guys think? That is pretty. This went on really cream and oh, I like this a lot. I like it, guys. I think it looks really, really good. Yeah, I like it. What y'all think? What y'all think about this color so far? I like it. I think I should like use something else to build up. I want to go into this blue, but I'm kind of scared to go into this blue. To go into this blue. I don't want to mess up the colors of this. This is so pretty. Let's do a little blue, just a little. Maybe we can put it on the outside. Ooh. See that blue? That is so freaking pigmented. Ooh. We'll need a whole bunch of that. Need them up. Oh wow. That is I mean I didn't even use a lot and that's coming out like crazy. Just a little. Right on the edge. Just a little. Man, that is very pigmented. Wow, this came from here. Wow. I like it though. It's really pretty. But I don't want a whole bunch. Just want to blend it in and have my 4th of July. It doesn't look like a blue to me. It looks more like a, I don't know, like a green or black or a smoky look. You just don't have that. Maybe it's just me. What y'all think? Do it have like that blue? Not to me. I don't have that blue to me. I like it though. It's not bad looking. It blends in really well. Just want to right there on the end. You know, I'm gonna just play around with it. Give it a high depth look, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna work on this eye and then I'll be back on. Alright. And there you have it. I could not get the colors right that I wanted to use for this 4th of July look or whatever. So I'm stuck with this color, which was like the gold and the yellowish, and then I added some navy blue in this, and this is what I came up with, you guys. This is what the look I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial for you know, for the 4th of July. Please give this video a thumb up, you guys, and also please subscribe. You guys, when you get a chance, go and subscribe to my channel. You know, share this video, and there will be more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoy your 4th, because I'm sure you're going to enjoy mine. Have a great one. Thank you. Bye.